Did you know that companies with sophisticated cost management systems report profit margins up to 25% higher than their industry peers? Yet, many organizations struggle to implement advanced costing techniques effectively. Many businesses face challenges in accurately allocating costs, pricing products strategically, and making informed management decisions. This can lead to eroded profit margins, misguided strategic choices, and loss of competitive advantage. At an individual level, finance professionals may feel uncertain about applying complex costing methodologies. Teams may lack a comprehensive understanding of how different costing approaches impact decision-making and performance measurement. This course provides in-depth training in advanced cost and management accounting techniques. It equips participants with sophisticated tools and methodologies to enhance cost management and support strategic decision-making. Participants will learn about activity-based costing, target costing, life cycle costing, and strategic cost management. They'll also develop skills in cost volume profit analysis, transfer pricing, and performance measurement systems. For organizations, the impact is substantial. They'll see improved accuracy in product costing, better informed pricing decisions, and enhanced ability to identify cost-saving opportunities. This leads to improved profitability, more effective resource allocation, and stronger competitive positioning. On a personal level, participants will gain advanced financial management skills that are valuable across various industries and roles. Teams will benefit from a more sophisticated approach to cost management, fostering better collaboration between finance and operations. Ready to take your cost management skills to the next level? Don't miss this opportunity to master advanced cost and management accounting techniques. Enroll now and learn to drive financial excellence that can transform your organization's performance and profitability.